Some recipes, especially German Christmas recipes, call for candied orange peel or candied lemon peel, and you can very easily make that by yourself, and I will show you how to do that. Because I couldn't get organic oranges, I will show it to you with some lemons. And so you basically only need the lemon peel, but I don't want to waste the juice, so I will just juice these lemons now. Now, as you can see, there are still these skins of the lemons in here, and I need to remove these. And it's not too difficult. Just need to find a start here, and you just peel it off like this. Once you've done that, you have to cut these lemon peels into slices. And you put these slices into a saucepan, because you will have to cook these in a little bit. Next, I want to cover the lemon peels with water. And I bring this to a boil. I let it then boil for a couple of minutes, and then I drain the water. And if you want to reduce the bitterness of these peels, then you repeat the step for about 3 times. So you drain the water, add water again, bring it to a boil, let it boil for a couple of minutes, drain the water again, put some water on it again, boil it for a little bit, and drain the water again. And that is what I'm going to do now, and after that I will show you my next step. Once you've boiled and drained the lemon peels 3 times, you add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, and again you bring it to a boil. And once it boils, you reduce the heat so it barely boils, it kind of simmers just, and then you let it simmer for about an hour. What you have to look out for is when the lemon peel becomes kind of translucent, and that's when it's finished. So this has been boiling now for, I would say, an hour, and you can see here that these lemon pieces look very translucent. And what I'm doing next is I'm removing the liquid. And I want to let this drain really well, because in my next step I want to dry these lemon peels, and if I drain them well, it goes a little faster. If you want, you can use the syrup that is remaining here from this process to sweeten like cakes or a drink like a tea or something, unless it is tasting bitter. So you have to try and see if there's a bitter taste to it or not. Okay, so this now will go on this cooling rack here, and that's for drying, and it's still hot. So they need to dry very well. Might still be sticky, most likely. So they need to dry here, and they are a little bit sticky, and that's okay. And this might take a day, maybe 2 or 3 even. If you want to do it faster, you can put them into the oven. And once they are dried, I'm just cutting these slices into cubes. So I have little dices of orange peel, and then I put them into a glass, and they will be good for several weeks. And if I don't use them all this Christmas, I will just freeze them and use them next year. Yeah, that is how easy it is to make candied lemon peels, and it's the same procedure for orange peels. I hope this helps you for your Christmas baking. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Watch some more of my videos, especially the Christmas baking videos. I can highly recommend them. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.